The universe has your back. How to move through the world with confidence. So let's examine that phrase, the universe has your back. What exactly does that mean? Well, it is the name of a book by Gabby Bernstein, which I highly recommend. But I'm going to give you my quick spin on that topic and give you a couple different ways to think about it in a way that I think will empower you and improve your life. So one question is, does the universe actually have your back? Of course, when you're talking about another human being having your back, that means they're there to encourage you, to support you, keep your best interests in mind, to protect you. So if we were to apply that human definition to the universe, does that mean the universe, the infinite intelligence, nature, God, whatever you want to call it, has your back? Many people are convinced that the universe indeed has your back. But what if, just what if, the universe was more neutral? What if the universe just supplied every human being with the tools that they needed to live a fulfilling life, and then left it up to each individual to decide how to use those tools and the things they were given? Then that would mean it's up to you how to truly approach your life, how to live it, how to decide who you are and what you stand for. But before I get too far off track, let me run another idea by you. I'm sure you're familiar with the phrase visualization, where you picture in your mind something that you want to envision. And if you've ever used meditation or visualization to maybe calm down and relax, especially if you're dealing with a stressful situation, you very well might have closed your eyes and picture yourself in a forest or on a beach or on a mountaintop. Some people call that going to your happy place. And by doing that in your mind's eye, when you picture yourself there, it affects your whole being. Your body relaxes. Your mind is soothed. You calm down. And it's a great tool. It's a great technique to help you to reach that state. But if you've ever done that with your visualizations, do you really think in actuality that you're on that beach or that you're on that mountaintop? Maybe you do, but most likely you don't. You're using it as a technique to imagine that you're in that place to get a desired effect, to get a tangible result in your body and your mind. So if you have doubts that the universe truly has your back, or maybe if you're just not sure one way or the other, then think of that term in this way, as a tool, as a technique to get you to a certain desired state. I'm going to throw one more thing at you before we get to some affirmations. I'm sure you're familiar with the term conspiracy theories, and this is where some entity, the government, a corporation, is out to manipulate the public. And it's often a conspiracy to keep people in place or to make things more profitable, etc. Well, years ago, I heard this term reverse conspiracy theory that I thought was just wonderful, totally ties into what we're discussing here. What if, instead of a conspiracy theory to keep you confined and obedient, what if there was a conspiracy theory to help you thrive? What if there was some entity that was adding things to your life that would create opportunities, was setting you up for success, allowing you to meet the right people at the right time, to come up with the perfect idea at the right time? What if somebody or something was manipulating the universe in your favor, but you were completely unaware of it? So that's what I'm going to suggest that you do right now. Whether you believe it to be a bona fide fact or not, just imagine in your mind that this reverse conspiracy really exists, that the universe truly has your back and is setting into motion a series of events and circumstances and people that are all designed to benefit you. And all you have to do is pay attention, notice them, and then act on them. That's a visualization or a mental technique that could truly empower you if you moved through your world assuming that things were being aligned in your favor. So let's approach it from that perspective and do some affirmations to reinforce this powerful idea. Ready? Feel free to repeat these back to yourself in the space provided. Here we go. The universe has my back. Everything is working out for my highest good. Everything I need to succeed is provided for me. All of my needs are met. Opportunities are flourishing all around me. The stars are all aligning in my favor. All the tools I need are being laid before me. The perfect people are moving toward me right now. Everything is aligning in my favor. The world is conspiring on my behalf. Every day, I am directed toward the most positive outcomes. Every day, I am given inspired ideas. Every day, I pick up on creative insights. Every day, I am encouraged to take inspired action. Yes, everything is working in my favor. Everything I need is being shown to me. All that I want is at my fingertips. I am truly blessed and supported. I am guided and directed by a higher power. I am steered in the right direction. Yes, the universe has my back. And life is good. Take a deep breath right now and just anchor in these powerful statements. Just let them sink in. And just know that you can use this technique, you can use this tool anytime you want. And the great thing about it is it can be effective no matter what your level of belief is. If you know that the universe has your back, that it's a reality, awesome. You already know it's true. But if you're not sure, or you even doubt it, then use it in the way that I suggested, as a technique to envision the world in a way that is going to serve you and serve humanity in a much more powerful way. That is my hope for you. This is Bob Baker of BobBakerInspiration.com, and author of The Power of Affirmations and Positive Self-Talk. Have an amazing day, and until next time, so long for now.